Hi, I'm Layo Adegoke. Here's your Channels TV evening news recap for December 20th, 2021. Justice Inyang Ekwo of the Federal High Court in Abuja has nullified Senator Andy Uba's participation in the governorship election held in Anambra State on November 6 this year. In a judgment, the judge held that Uba was never a candidate in the election, having emerged from an illegally conducted primary election by the All Progressives Congress. Justice Ekwo added that the plaintiff, George Mohalu, succeeded in proving that the APC did not conduct a valid primary election from which Uba claimed to have emerged as the party's candidate. Meanwhile, former Senator Dino Melaye says he plans to lead a massive protest if President Buhari does not give his assent to the Electoral Act Amendment Bill. Speaking during an interview on Channels Television's Political Paradigm, Senator Melaye says the bill will address the electoral flaws in the country, hence the need for the president to assent to it. Still on the electoral matters, Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has said that President Muhammadu Buhari does not have any excuse for not signing the Electoral Act Amendment Bill. Wike said this on Sunday during an interview on Channels Television's program Sunday Politics. On the international scene, a former student activist, Gabriel Boric, has been elected the new president of Chile. With most of the votes counted, 35-year-old Boric wins with 56%, and his opponent, Jose Antonio Cast, trailed with 44% of the votes. The election has been one of the most polarized in recent decades, and this comes after mass anti-government protests. And in sports, Spanish tennis star Rafael Nadal has tested positive for COVID-19. The incident puts in doubt his participation in the Australian Open next month, where he was expected to make his big comeback after months of injury. And that's the evening news recap. Don't forget to join us later for the news update. I'm Layo Adegoke. Thank you for watching.